Bringing Wall Street to Main Street. From your local experts in downtown Logan, this is the Adams Wealth Advisors Market Report.
Hi, this is Brooke with Adams Wealth Advisors. Stocks entered a second day of consolidation following the massive rallies earlier this week. In part, that's the natural market action you would expect as investors reassess and rebalance their portfolios after such a strong advance. The modest decline also reflected the continued uncertainty surrounding developments in the Strait of Hormuz. On one hand, the Iranian-backed Houthis launched missiles at a government military camp. On the other, Iran reportedly warned it could target regional energy infrastructure if it comes under attack. As a result, oil prices rebound modestly as markets priced in the possibility of further escalation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 464 points to 53,885. The Nasdaq was little changed, ending the day at 26,348, and the S&P 500 slipped 0.18% to 7,710. Energy, communication services, and healthcare were the only sectors to finish the day higher. The bond market saw considerably more activity. The 5-year Treasury yield rose 7 basis points to 4.39%, while the 10-year Treasury yield climbed 6 basis points to 4.68%. Higher fuel prices explain only a small portion of that move. A more likely driver was Alphabet's massive bond offering to help finance its AI investments, increasing the supply of bonds available to investors. On the economic front, weekly jobless claims continued to point to a stable labor market, while wholesale inventories came in largely in line with expectations. U.S. productivity also grew at an annualized rate of 1.4%. However, this data series tends to be volatile, so it will take additional reports before a clear trend can be established. Looking ahead, tomorrow brings the monthly employment report, which will wrap up another busy week of economic data. This is Adams Wealth Advisors, and we'll be back tomorrow with a recap of the week's market action.
That's your update from Adams Wealth Advisors, guiding your financial future one day at a time. For personalized help planning yours, reach out to us at 435-752-1702. See you soon, Cache Valley. Advisory services offered through Adams Wealth Management, a registered investment advisor. For important disclosures and more information, visit adamswealthadvisors.com.